Can you resist to this delicious crispy fried chicken wrapped in a potato stretchy cheese? Here are the ingredients for 4 people. The day before, start by marinating the chicken drumsticks. Put them in a mixing bowl. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 tablespoon. Put it with the chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Combine. Cover and let in the fridge overnight. The next day, take out the marinated chicken 1 hour before frying. Prepare the potato stretchy cheese. Use 200 grams of fresh French Tome cheese or mozzarella cheese. Grate it. Cut 300 grams of potato into chunks. Cook them in water with half teaspoon of salt for 25 minutes. Meanwhile, mix 1 egg white with the marinated chicken. Add 50 grams of cornstarch. Mix again. To obtain very crispy drumsticks, fry them 2 times. The first frying is done at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Proceed in half to maintain the temperature of the oil. Flip them halfway through cooking. Take them out and let them drain. Meanwhile, mash the potatoes. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, 1 crushed garlic clove, 50 grams of crème fraiche, 25 grams of butter. Mix and set aside. For the second frying, put the drumstick in the oil at 180 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. Take them out and let them drain. Put a pot of potatoes on low heat. Regularly stir. When it's hot, after 2 minutes, add half the cheese. Stir by making circular movements. When the cheese has melted, add the other half. Keep stirring until getting long strings. The cooking time with the cheese is about 3 minutes. Don't wait to wrap the cheese around the chicken. As it cools, it becomes less stretchy. You can warm it up if needed. Bon appétit! Ask your guests to round up their chicken drumsticks. Pull the cheese up and just round it up. The drumsticks are very crispy and tasty. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.